Hey everybody, we are going to make a beautiful artwork today. So paste the tree and grass like this and paste all the peanut shell on it randomly. We are making chicks and leaves using it. Color it and it's done. Let's do stamp painting. So cut this Chinese cabbage and dab it on this red color and stamp it on the sheet of paper, and look at this beautiful bunch of rose flowers. Draw its leaves, paste a bow, and look, your artwork is ready. Take a polythene, tie a knot. We are going to do stamp painting here. So we are going to dab it on this red color and look at the beautiful flowers. It is a very easy technique. So you can make more such flowers. Add more details like we are drawing its leaves. Tie a bow and it's ready. Here we are going to make a beautiful tree artwork. So draw the trunk of the tree. Now make colorful clay balls and paste all of them. After this we are going to spread this yellow clay and it is ready. Look at this beautiful bird artwork. Let's make it. So take a tissue paper, color it and make small pieces like we're doing here. Now make the body of the bird using clay. Paste its wings and then we're going to dab the colorful tissue paper pieces inside it using a toothpick. Look how we are doing here. Paste its eyes and look, your colorful bird is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.